Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short tutorial, I will teach you how to fix MacNotes app error at Sequoia in MacBook. Recently I noticed that some users reported that their Notes app didn't work properly after updating their MacBook to Sequoia. Normally, Notes displays 3 columns, but after the update, their Notes app only displays 2 columns. For this problem, I have several solutions. First, let's try switching to gallery mode. Click the button with 4 squares on the top to select gallery mode. Then open a note in random. Click the arrow on the top to return to gallery mode, and then click the button on the top to return to list mode. If it fails, let's try to exit Notes again. Double-click the Note app button below and select Quit. Wait a few seconds and then reopen it. See if the problem still exists. If it still fails, this time we try to force restart your MacBook. Press and hold the power button until the screen goes black. This may take 10 seconds or more. After the Mac shuts down, briefly press the power button again to restart it. If none of the above methods work, then we click the Apple button in the upper left corner. Select System Settings. General. Click System Updates to see if there is a new version to update. I hope these few methods can help you quickly solve the problem of Note errors. If you lose data during the repair process, there's a simple way to recover your data. That is to use 4DD data recovery software, which can scan all the data in your Mac and recover them. First, launch 4DD. Find the disk where you lost the data and hit Scan. Here, you can choose the types you want to recover. Here, I only select photos as an example. Then click Scan Only Photo. 4DD starts to scan your disk. You can preview it during the process. Click Recover. Then select the location where you want to save the data. Well done. Your photos are back. Hope these can remove your problem. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.